In this video, we're going to learn how to search for new channels on your Samsung TV, whether you're using an antenna or cable. This simple step-by-step process is easy for everyone to follow. Just have your remote control ready and let's get into it. You can enjoy a variety of shows and movies, no matter what type of service you use. Let's begin and unlock all the great channels available to you. First, turn on your TV. Ensure it's connected to a power source and press that power button. We need the TV on to start setting it up. Now grab your remote control. Press the home button to access the main menu. The appearance of your channel menu may vary depending on the model and year of your Samsung TV. You might see a white, blue, or different colored background, but the steps remain the same. Next, let's go to the settings. Find the gear icon in the menu, and that's where we'll find our channel scanning options. In the settings, look for broadcasting or a similar option. This is where we'll be working to scan for channels. Inside broadcasting, find auto program, auto tuning, or scan for channels. Select this to start finding channels. Your TV will ask whether you want to scan on air for antenna or cable if you're using a coax cable. Choose the one that applies to your connection. Be patient as the TV scans for channels. This might take a minute or two, depending on your location. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the number of channels available. Now you can close the menu and start enjoying your content. That's it. You've successfully scanned for channels on your Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Drop a comment if you have questions or need further assistance. See you in the next one.